The dreaded student loan payments are back, and there's a lot of information to digest on when we can expect payments and what help might be available. Certified financial planner Shinobu Hindert is joining us to break it all down. Thank you so much for being with us. This affects so many people and has a lot of people really concerned right now with these student loan payments picking back up. So first, tell us which ones are on pause.
So there's two main categories of student loans. You have private loans that are typically held by a financial institution, and then direct federal loans or federal family education loans that are held by the U.S. Department of Education. The loans held by the Department of Education, those have been on hold for the last 3+ years.
Right. Okay, so did they all resume this weekend, or does it depend on who your loan provider is?
The federal loans are resuming sometime in October. So borrowers will get notification at least 21 days before their first payment is due. But they're also getting a grace period for 12 months. It's called an on-ramp. So from October to September of 2024, if you miss a payment or you're late on a payment, it will not be considered delinquent and it will not be reported to the credit bureaus.
Which is really important. This is why I think so many people are worried about this. Life is expensive right now. With inflation, things have been costing more. A lot of people are worried they won't be able to meet their basic expenses, then also pay for their student loans, and it does impact your credit score if you're not paying them.
Yeah, and I think people were assuming these loans were going to be taken care of.
Right.
So they were not putting this back into their budget.
Yeah, so it's really hard for a lot of people. Okay, so we also heard a little bit about the new student loan save program. Tell us more about that and any other student loan forgiveness that is still available.
The forgiveness that's available, there's 3 criteria a borrower needs to meet. The first is they need to be on an income-driven repayment plan.
Okay.
They need to also have a federal direct loan or a federal family education loan. And the third component is they need to have been making payments for the last 20 to 25 years, completed them in qualifying months. So it's very confusing.
Yeah.
They notified about 804,000 borrowers back in mid-July. So that was for total forgiveness.
Okay.
The SAVE plan's been introduced as a way for people to get some reductions on what they're paying. So it's a 10-minute online application. You're going to want your financial information handy because they need proof of income or verification of income. And then from there, you can go from 0 payments with 0 interest accruing to potentially cutting your student loan payments in half. So I would highly recommend people go and do that 10-minute application.
Okay, and then if you find out through that application nothing you have is going to be forgiven, you have to put this back into your budget. How do you do that? You hear some people saying their student loan payments are as much as $1,000 a month or more.
I mean, this could be a good time to take a hard look at your budget and see where are you spending, how can you cut back every single month, what's realistic for you to do that. I would also take a look at, can you earn other income? Is there a way that you can take on a side hustle? Can you pet sit? Can you do food delivery services? Take a look at what you're currently earning in your job and see what are competitors paying people of the same skill level. Are you in the right job for yourself right now?
Yeah.
If you set up automated payments for your student loans, you get a reduction in your interest rate. It's not significant, but it's something and it will help.
Yeah, anything helps at this point. We know this is going to be life-changing for a lot of people. Shinobu, thank you so much for joining us with that insight. You can find Shinobu's book, Investing is Your Superpower. That's on her website, which is on your screen right now. And as always, you can find all the information on our website, kcalnews.com/seen on TV.